Ndewono ụmụ akwụkwọ. Today we want to learn about inquiry questions. Questions you ask when you want to know about someone. You just met someone or you've met them before but you want to know about them. So inquiry questions is called in Igbo language AJÜJÜ MMATA. AJÜJÜ MMATA. That's questions to know about someone. So what do you ask someone when you meet them? You ask first, gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị means what is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Then you ask again, ịdị afọ ole? Ịdị afọ ole? Ịdị afọ ole means how old are you? How old are you? Then you can ask the person again, who are you? Let's say you just met someone or someone just walked into your house or into your space and you want to know who is this person. So Ibonye, Ibonye, who are you? Ibonye, who are you? Then you can ask again, let's say you're talking to someone on phone and you don't know the person's gender. You can say Ibunwoke ke ibunwanyi, meaning are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Then that person that you just met, you ask, who are you, Ibonye? You can ask the person still, Gịnị ka ị na-achọ? Gịnị ka ị na-achọ? What are you looking for? Gịnị ka ị na-achọ? Then you can as well say, Ibonye ebe, Ibonye ebe, where are you from? You can as well say, Kedu ebe ibi, where do you live? Kedu ebe ibi, where do you live, or what's your address? You can as well want to know how the person is. Kedu ka ị mere, how are you? Kedu ka ị mere, how are you? Ị riela nri, have you eaten? Ị riela nri, have you eaten? Gịnị bụ nri na-amasị gị? What's your favorite food? Gịnị bụ nri na-amasị gị? What's your favorite food? Gịnị na-eme gị? What's happening to you? Gịnị na-eme gị? What is happening to you? Maybe you saw someone moody or sad. You say, Gịnị na-eme gị? Meaning, what is happening to you? Gịnị ka iji ebe akwa means, why are you crying? Or gịnị mere iji ebe akwa? Why are you crying? You could meet a friend on the way and you want to know where the friend is going. How do you say that in Igbo? You say, Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Maọbụ kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going? Yeah, you're with someone and you don't have a watch and someone has a watch and you want to know what the time is. You say, Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere gị? Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere gị? What is it by your time? Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere gị? What is it by your time? Kedu onye ị na-eche? Who are you waiting for? Kedu onye ị na-eche? Who are you waiting for? Ọ bụ nwanne gị nwoke? Is that your brother? Ọ bụ nwanne gị nwoke? Is that your brother? Ọ bụ nwanne gị nwanyị? Is that your sister? Ọ bụ nwanne gị nwanyị? Is that your sister? Ị riri gịnị? What did you eat? Ị riri gịnị? What did you eat? Unu emeela ụmụ akwụkwọ. I need you to watch this